टू लेज़ी टू रीड द सिलेबस? चलो मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. एल्गोरिदम डिज़ाइन एंड एनालिसिस, पेपर कोड ATCS 301. पेपर का नाम एल्गोरिदम डिज़ाइन एंड एनालिसिस. यहाँ पे सब कुछ वही होने वाला है, बस ये इंटरव्यू में काम आने वाली चीज़ है. यूनिट 1 की बात करते हैं तो एसिम्प्टोटिक नोटेशन फॉर टाइम एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, बिग ओ नोटेशन और सिग्मा नोटेशन, ओ नोटेशन, लिटिल ओ नोटेशन, लिटिल ओमेगा नोटेशन, रिकरेंस रिलेशन, आइट्रेशन मेथड, रिकरेंस ट्री मेथड, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, master method with proof, subtraction and conquer master method, data structure for disjoint set, median and order statistic, complexity analysis, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort for multiple matrices, मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यूनिट 1 हो गया. यूनिट 2 में डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग, ingredients of dynamic programming, emphasis is on optimal substructure, overlap substructure, memorization, matrix chain multiplication, longest common subsequence, and optimal binary search tree problem, 0-1 abstract problem, binomial coefficient computation through dynamic programming, फ्लॉयड वार्शल एल्गोरिदम. यूनिट 3 की बात करें, ग्रीडी एल्गोरिदम आ जाती है. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ग्रीडी स्ट्रैटेजीज, ओवरव्यू ऑफ लोकल ग्लोबल ऑप्टिमल, मेट्रोइड एक्टिविटी सिलेक्शन प्रॉब्लम, fractional knapsack problem, Huffman code, a task scheduling problem, minimum spanning tree, Kruskal prism algorithm, single source short path, Dijkstra and Bellman-Ford algorithm with proven correction. Unit 4, string machine, the Navy string machine algorithm, Rabin-Karp algorithm, string machine with finite automation, Knuth-Morris Pratt algorithm, NP complete problem, polynomial time verification, NP completeness, reducibility, NP completeness proof, NP hard case study, NP complete problem, vertex cover problem. ये सब टेक्स्ट बुक रेफरेंसेस खुद देख लेना, वैसे तो आकाश से पढ़ते हैं. टॉपिक नेट पे डालो, ब्लॉग लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, पेपर कोड ETCS 303. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, यूनिट 1 इंट्रोडक्शन, सॉफ्टवेयर क्राइसिस प्रोसेस, लाइफ साइकिल मॉडल, वाटरफॉल प्रोटोटाइप, इवोल्यूशनरी spiral model, overview of quality standard like ISO 901, software matrices like LOC, token count, function count, design matrices, data structure matrix, information flow matrix. Unit 2, software project planning, cost estimation statistics, static, single and multivariate model, COCOM model, Putnam resource allocation model, risk management, software requirement analysis and specification, problem analysis, data flow diagram, data dictionary, entities relationship diagram, software requirement and specification, behavioral and non-behavioral requirement, software prototyping. Unit 3, software design, cohesion and coupling, classification of cohesiveness and coupling, function oriented design, object oriented design, user interface design, software reliability, failure and fault, reliability model, basic model, algorithmic position model, calendar time component, reliability allocation. Unit 4, software testing, process functional testing, boundary for values analysis, equivalent class testing, decision table testing, cause effect graphing, structure testing, part testing, data flow and mutation testing, unit testing, integration system testing, debugging testing, tool and standard, software maintenance, management of maintenance, processes, models, reverse engineering, software reverse engineering, configuration management और documentation. टेक्स्ट बुक और रेफरेंसेस दे रखे हैं. जावा प्रोग्रामिंग, पेपर कोड ETCS 307, पेपर जावा प्रोग्रामिंग. यूनिट 1, overview characteristic of Java programming, compilation execution process, organization of Java virtual machine. JVM is interpreter and emulator, instruction set, class file format, verification class area, Java stack, heap, garbage collection, security promises, JVM security architecture, security policy, class load and security aspects, sandbox model. Unit 2, Java fundamental. Data type literal variable, wrapper classes, arrays, arithmetic operation, logical operation, control of flow, classes and instances, class member modification, anonymous inner class interface and abstract class inheritance, through and through clause, user defined expectations, the string buffer class, tokenization, applet life cycle of applet and security concern. Unit 3 thread, creating thread priority block states, extending thread class, runnable interface, starting thread synchronization, synchronize thread, sync code block, overriding sync method, thread communication, waiting, notifying, notify all, await component class, container class, layout manager, interface, default layout, insert and dimension, border layout, flow layout, grid layout, card layout, grid bag layout, AWT event, event modeling, listeners, class listener, adapter, action event method, focus event key, mouse event, window event. Unit 4 input output stream, stream filter, buffered system, data input output stream, print system, random access filter, JBDC, database connectivities, MSSS, Oracle, MS SQL servers, object serialization, Java native interface, development of JNI based application, collection API interface, vector stack, hash table class, enumerator, list, set, map, iterator. बुक और रेफरेंस बुक दे रखी है. नेक्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट ETMS 311 इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट पेपर. यूनिट 1 industrial relation definition, main aspect, industrial dispute and strike, collective bargaining, labor legislation, labor management cooperation, work participation in management, factory registration, international labor organization, trade unionism. Unit 2 definition, origin, objective of trade union, method of trade union, size and finance of trade Indian trade union, size, frequency, distribution, factor responsible for small size finance, source, income, way of improving finance. Unit 3 work study, method study, time study, foundation, work study, main component, method study, time study, standard, involvement of worker union, work sampling, application of work study to office work. Unit 4 quality management, quality control chart, quality in everybody job, Tauchi principle, philosophy, service quality, what is total quality management, TQM roadmap, criticism, TQM 6 sigma. Textbook and reference book is also given. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन ETEC 303 पेपर डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन. यूनिट 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन, लाइन कोडिंग, NRZ Manchester encoding, differential Manchester encoding, AMI coding, high density bipolar code, binary with N0 substitution code, review of sampling theorem, information and non-information quantization, compounding, mu law, A law, review, compressor, concept and analysis, PCM, DPCM, DM, ADM, modules and demodulators, M array, waveform, NS ratio of all modulation, probability of error for PCM in AWGN channel, other modulation technique, duo binary pulse. Unit 2 random signal theory, probability, concept of random variable, stationary, non-stationary, WSS, triple S, random process, CDF, PDF, joint PDF, marginal PDF, mean movement, central movement, auto correlation and cross correlation, covariance function, aerodicity, power spectral density, Gaussian distribution, uniform distribution, Rayleigh distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson, Wiener, Khinchin theorem, central limit theorem. Unit 3 designing of receiver, analysis of digital receiver, prediction, filters, design and property of matched filter, correlator receiver, orthogonal signal, gram schemed orthogonization procedure, maximum likelihood receiver, coherent receiver design, inner symbol interface, I pattern. Unit 4 digital modulation scheme, coherent binary scheme, ASK, FSK, PSK, QPSK, MSK, GMSK, coherent M-array scheme, incoherent scheme, DPSK, DEPSK, calculation of average probability of error for different modulation scheme, power spectra of digital modulation scheme, performance comparison of different digital modulation scheme, review of two latest research paper. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है हमारे पास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल फॉर प्रोफेशनल ETHS 301 पेपर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स फॉर प्रोफेशनल यूनिट 1 organizational communication meaning importance function of communication process of communication cycle message sender encoder channel receiver decoding feedback characteristic media and type of communication formal informal channel of communication 7 C's of communication barrier of communication ethics of communication plagiarism language sensitivity soft skill personality development self analysis through SWOT Joyer window personal skill, time management, team building, leadership skill, emotional intelligence, self development, assessment, self assessment, awareness, perception, attitude, values, and belief, personal goal setting, career planning, self esteem. Unit 2nd Introduction to Phoenix IPA system in Oxford Advanced Learning Dictionary, speech mechanism, the description of speech sound, phoneme, deep turn, syllable, stress, intonation, prosodic feature, pronunciation, phonic transcription, conversion of word to phonic symbol and from phonic symbols to word, British American English, basic difference in vocabulary, spelling, pronunciation, structure, non-verbal language, important skill type, paralanguage, voice tone, volume, speech, pitch, effective pause, body language, posture, gesture, eye contact, facial expression, proximities, chroneus, appearance symbol. Unit 3rd Letter at the workplace. Letter writing, hard copy, soft copy, request, salary, inquiry, order, complaint, job application, resume and cover letter, meeting documentation, notice, memo, circular, agenda and minutes of meeting, report writing, significant purpose, characteristic type of report, planning, organization and writing report, structure of formal report, writing an abstract summary, basic of formatting and style sheet, IEEE editor style manual, development of thesis argument, data collection, insight citation, bibliography, preparing a written report for presentation and submission, writing a paper for conference presentation, journal submission. Unit 4 Listening and speaking skills. Important purpose, type of listening, process of listening, difference between hearing and listening, barrier to effective listening, traits of good listener, tips for effective listening, analytical thinking, speech, rhetoric, Pilomics, audience analysis, telephonic skill, making and receiving call, leaving a message, asking and giving information, etiquettes, presentation, mode, mean, purpose of presentation, organization, the content, nuance of delivery, voice and body language in ineffective presentation, time dimensions, group discussion, purpose, type of GD, strategies, body language, guidelines for group discussion, interview skill, purpose, type of interview, preparing, attending, interview procedure, process, employment expectation, journal equities. Textbook and references are also given. बात करते हैं एल्गोरिदम एनालिसिस एंड डिज़ाइन लैब की. पेपर कोड होगा ETCS 351. लिस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट दे रखे हैं तो इनमें से ओनली 8 एटलीस्ट 8 करने हैं. तो implement following algorithm using the array as a data structure and analyze its time complexity, merge, quick, bubble, bucket radius, cell sort, selection sort, heap sort. Second, implement linear search and binary search, analyze its time complexity, matrix multiplication. Third point, analyze time complexity. Fourth point, longest common subsequence problem, analyze time complexity. Fifth, implement optimal binary search tree problem, analyze time complexity. Sixth, implement Huffman coding and analyze its time complexity. 7, Dijkstra algorithm analysis is time complexity. 8th, Bellman-Ford algorithm analyzes time complexity. 9th, string machine algorithm, Rabin-Karp algorithm, Morris-Pratt algorithm analysis and time complexity. Do any 8 out of 9. Second, software engineering lab, ETCS 353. List of experiment. Write down problem statement for suggested system of relevance. Do requirement analysis and develop software requirement specification sheet SRS to perform the function orientation diagram, data flow diagram DFD, structural chart to perform user view analysis for the suggested system use case diagram, draw structural view of the system, class diagram, object diagram, 6 point state chart diagram, activity diagram, 7 point sequence diagram, collaborative diagram, 8.2 to perform the implementation view diagram, component diagram for the system, to perform the environmental view diagram, deployment diagram for the system, perform various testing tools, unit testing, integration testing, sample code of the suggested problem. 10 perform estimation of effort using FP estimation for choosing system. 12th 11 to prepare timeline chart, Gantt chart, PERT chart for selection software. Do at least 8 of these 12. 9th Java programming lab, ETCS 357. Create Java program to implement stack queue concept. Write Java to show dynamic polymorphism and interfaces. Write Java to show multi-thread procedure and consumer application. Create customized expectation and also make use of all 5 exception keywords. Convert the content of a given file into uppercase of the same file. Develop an analog clock using applet. Develop a scientific calculator using swings. Create an editor like MS Word using swings. Create a servlet using cookies to store the number of times a user has visited servlet. Create a simple Java bean having bound and constraint property. At least 8 of these 10 experiments. Digital Communication Lab, ETCS 357. MATLAB LabVIEW based practicals on to study sampling theorem, to study plus code modulation, probability of error, to calculate SN ratio, probability error of differential pulse code modulation. 4th for delta modulation. 5th for adaptive delta modulation. 6th amplitude shift keying. 7th phase shift keying. 8th frequency shift keying. 9th differential phase shift keying modulation DPSK. And 10th quadrature phase shift key modulation QPSK. 11th QAM. 12th faculty can opt for practical or digital communication to perform on kit. Do at least 8 experiment out of this 12 experiment. Last, communication skill for professional lab, ETHS 351. Listening lab activity to be conducted. Listening and comprehensive activity. Listening to the selected lecture, seminar, new BBC, CNN, etc. Writing a brief summary to answer question. Reading activity, reading different type of text for different purpose, will focus on sound structure and annotation pattern of English. Conversational activity, effective conversational skill, formal, informal, conversational, addressing higher office colleague, subordinate, public gathering, participating in video conference, making oral presentation, making a PowerPoint presentation, making speech, basic public speaking, preparation in group discussion, structure and dynamics of GD, participation in mock interview like job interview. And that's all for 5th सेमेस्टर सिलेबस. तो ये सारा सिलेबस था तुम्हारा, है ना. और होप आपको पता चल गया होगा कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है और हम कितना कुछ इग्नोर कर देते हैं जो आगे बहुत काम आने वाला है. बाय.